Action queues. This tab contains 3 sub-tabs. In Pending Actions tab, you can see a table of all actions that are currently running or waiting to be run. This table is cleared when Streamer.Bot is closed. You can change the width of all columns by dragging the separators. If you double-click on a separator, the column will resize to fit the width of its largest value. You can sort this table by name and by timestamps, queued at and started at, either by clicking on the column name or using the context menu accessed by right-clicking on the column name. From this menu, you can also filter the actions. If you have many actions in the queues, you can filter them by name, state, or queue. In the table, you can see name, the name of the action, state, the current state of the action, waiting or running. Enabled. This column is kinda strange. It shows the enabled state of the action when it was added to the queue. However, since disabled actions cannot be queued or run, this column will always display true. Variables displays the number of variables associated with the action when it was placed in the queue. This refers to the args object, which includes all general and trigger-specific variables. It does not include variables added by sub-actions. Queue indicates in which queue the action is running. Queued at displays the timestamp when the action was added to the queue. At this point, the action is in the waiting state. Started at displays the timestamp when the action began execution. At this point, the state of the action changes to running. If you right-click on any action, you will see the following options. Inspect variables opens a table displaying the variables associated with the selected action, its args object as mentioned earlier. Enable. This is read-only and useless field. Queue displays the name of the queue in brackets. Within the submenu, you have the ability to pause or resume the queue. Pausing a queue halts the execution of all actions in that queue until it is resumed. When the queue is paused, all new actions will enter a waiting state. Actions already in the waiting state will remain there. Actions already running will not be affected.